guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. This weekend I am reviewing a couple of Vevor products. As you guys know from my previous episodes, my new partner Vevor has sent me a lot of things. We have the train air horn in this truck, and also the 13,000 pound winch that they sent me the other day. I've also previously reviewed their scissor jack, as well as some other items that Vevor has. You should check out Vevor's website over at vevor.com and see the tens of thousands of commercial, industrial, and consumer products that are available on their site. It took me once an hour and a half just to look through like 10 pages. They have so much stuff that you never would have thought of. You got a couple of hours to burn and you're bored? Go on Vevor. I guarantee you're going to find something you're going to need. What did they send me today? You guys have seen in my 1,000 or so episodes where I usually fix small engine equipment with my little kiddie stool. And of course I do have the ones with wheels too, but they're just not comfortable. So I end up just putting tools on it. Oh, holy cow. Is this professional or what? Fancy schmancy. Really cool. Here are the wheels. Let me unbox this real quick. Solid rubber plastic synthetic type feel. Caster wheels. Good quality. Heavy duty. Heavy. They gave me five wheels. How about that, huh? Seat brace and pivot lever. Seat post. Grease-filled hydraulic. Bottom base frame to put the wheels and the posts. And a tool tray where you can put all your tools there. I'm going to try to put this together without reading the instructions. Go. Super easy to put together. Didn't look at the instructions. Self-explanatory. Very easy to put together. Because I had an impact screwdriver and an impact socket 3/8. I didn't need the wrench and the screwdriver that they gave me. So it's much easier and faster to use your tools to put it together. And look at this. Faux leather, red center design. Turns and goes higher if you want it for taller people. You can lower it when you sit on it. Has a spinning tool rack where you can put all your most used tools here. It pivots like this and spins. On the 5 caster wheels, it rolls very well. Really well. This is actually really high for me. But you can lower it, the hydraulics. That's fantastic. I'm going to be using this for my videos from now on. Thanks a lot to Vevor for sending it to me. I'll leave a link in the description. And I know you guys want one of these. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.